Divergent. Set in a dystopian Chicago, Tris Pryor chooses the dauntless faction over her family. She discovers she's divergent, a trait marking her as a threat in a society obsessed with conformity. Divergent is a novel explores moral and philosophical issues in society divided into factions based on virtues. The story raises ethical questions about labeling individuality in the conflict between conformity and free will, while also criticizing societal limits and personal choices. Divergent is a film that explores themes of identity, self-discovery, conformity, individuality, power, fear, bravery, and tattoos. It highlights the conflict between following societal norms and staying true to oneself as Therese navigates a world that forces people to fit into one category. This story highlights the dangers of authoritarian rule, fear, and bravery. The importance of individuality and personal expression is achieving personal growth and freedom.